Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Developer. In this video we are going to create budget. Budget is very important whenever you are using AWS. To create budget, you can select billing and cost management. I have recently visited, so I can see that in my recently visited tab. Or you can search from search bar also, billing and cost management, and click that service. On the left hand side, you can scroll down and you can see budgets and planning. Select budgets, create a budget, and here there are two types of budget setup. One is using template and other one is using customized, that is advanced option. For this tutorial we are going to use a template. Customized option mainly used by IT admins who are managing AWS account. For this tutorial we can use simplified version, use a template. I'm just going to select that, and from that template we are having zero spend budget. We are going to create that. Here we can change our budget name and enter email recipients. This is very important. You need to provide a valid email address and make sure you are checking that email often. It could be your personal email address or it could be your work email address. Once you have provided the email address, you can proceed to next step, that is create budget. I have provided my email address and now we can select create budget. Successfully we have created our first budget, my zero spend. Whenever we are using AWS service and it costs more than $1, we will get our email notification. Now we can create another budget, create budget, and you can use the same template and you can select monthly cost budget. Sometimes we know we need to use some AWS service and it will cost few dollars. So for learning purpose, it is okay to spend $10 or based on your budget you can decide. So for this video purpose, I'm just going to give $10. And again you can enter your email recipient and create budget. Successfully we have created another budget, my monthly cost budget. You can rename this budget name according to you. So the budget is $10. Whenever you are crossing $10, you will get email notification, so you can use your AWS account without worry. I hope this video helps you. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you.